Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our class. Okay guys, today we will be doing a type of essay and I will explain you how to take the key points and ideas, okay, including introduction also. So basically it's about agree and disagree type of essays, okay. You very well know that there are 4 to 5 types of different type of essays which are used in IELTS and TOEFL examinations. Clear? This is say all about your opinion, advantages, disadvantages, up to what extent do you agree, causes and reasons, causes and solutions, like this. Okay, but today we will be going for agree and disagree type of question. So you can clearly see on this video the main topic of the essay today is parents make the best teachers. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Discuss. Okay, so this is our basic question, and it's all about like we all say that parents are the first teachers, they are the best teachers. Now, the essay will go according to your opinion or according to your idea only. I am just explaining my ideas. You can interchange it also. Okay. So now, for introduction, you can make like this. Well, okay, just keep in mind that introduction plays a very crucial role while writing essays. Clear? Okay, let's start. So for intro, you can write undoubtedly the parent is the child's first teacher. It does not portray that the parent is the child's best teacher. A parent may be ineffective at communicating important values to a child. This essay will envisage the above statement in the upcoming paragraphs. Clear? So just keep in mind we don't have to exaggerate the introduction para. Okay, I think three you can use 3 lines or 4 lines or 5 lines. This is only a particular sample. You can cut short it also. Clear? So just listen. There are some of the vocab words you may know or may not know. Okay, just let me explain. Number one, what is that? Is portray. Portray means show. Clear? And parent, okay, and okay, rest is okay. Rest is fine. You can understand it very well. Clear? So, what is the case? We have to use very high-fi and advanced words. Our selection of words should be very good. Clear? And don't repeat the same words. That's why I side by side take vocabulary classes also. Clear? Okay, for intro you can use these type of things. Now the problem appears when we have to recollect the ideas, how to put it up. Clear? So here are some ideas. I'm just gonna explaining you. So according to me, the ideas can be, you can say, in this modern era, both the parents work. Clear? We all know that in the prevalent cutthroat era of competition, both the parents, mother and father, they go for job in order to get more money, or in order to get money so as to lead a very good life, okay, with all the modern amenities and luxuries, and you can say facilities. Clear? So for intricately explaining it, I am just putting out some of the details. Clear? So in the modern era, both the parents work. So now we are connecting it like this. Sometimes parents become negligent. Okay, the negligent behavior do not bother to instruct children about dangerous outcomes of dealing with certain household items such as electric equipment or certain chemicals, okay, which we use in our daily life, but the child don't know the aftermaths of these type of things, or using, or how to deal or how to use these type of things. Clear? So as we know that our life is very busy, parents go, they don't have time, they have a lot of stress in their workplace also, so the child is basically isolated from the parents. Clear? But on the other hand, if we see the role of teachers. Teachers have to spend the whole day with students. They know the psychology of their students, and they can better give good values, good moral values to the students. Clear? Further, we can use another idea like this. Children imitate their parents. Clear? नाउ ध्यान से सुनना, जो बच्चे होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वो इमिटेट करते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स की। ठीक है, इमिटेट का मतलब होता है नकल उतारना, या फिर जैसे पेरेंट्स करते हैं बच्चा भी वैसे सीखता है और उसे कॉपी करने की कोशिश करता है। सो बेसिकली द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड इमिटेट इज कॉपिंग समथिंग। क्लियर? सो children imitate their parents. Suppose if parents lie with others in front of children, they can also lie. Clear? Suppose the parent is just talking with someone, talking to his friend. Suppose father is talking to his friend or his subordinate or junior or senior in his workplace or like this. So sometimes they lie also. Clear? But they don't know that the child will also try to copy this, and he will become a prey of negative things. Clear? Here, further explaining, we can also put up idea like this. Some parents support racism. Okay, racism का मतलब होता है जैसे कह सकते हैं कि कोई हमारे नेटिव कंट्री का है या बाहर का है, गोरा एंड काला। ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रेसेस। क्लियर? So in most of the cases or sometimes the parents they just support racism. Clear? And definitely if the parents use these type of things, or when they support these type of things, it will have a very adverse effect on their children. Clear? So they can also develop this negative attitude. Clear? We should never support racism. ठीक है, racism, caste, religion, nationalities like this. We all are human and we have to serve the mankind. Clear? Racism should never be included in our lifestyles. I think now you can make it on your own also. I explained you these things. These will go to BP1 and BP2, and if you need you can optionally make body paragraph 3 also. Clear? And after that you have to conclude. In conclusion, I have already explained you transitional expressions, so by using this you can prove what you perceived about the conclusion of this essay. So guys, I hope you understood it well, and definitely you will be cracking the IAS exam very soon and in the first attempt only. Bye bye.